Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are you girl? Debbie from Dongayard. Y'all know that by now. Say, how y'all doing out there? Are you hey okay? And you know, the Patwalik. What up? What up? Manners and respect. Well, today, I'm not really highlighting a specific dish. You know, family, you know, I'm a little YouTube family, and you know, in my kitchen is a real jam down thing. Okay, y'all know that. It's real as can be. So today is another Ben Johnson Day, you know, Mountain Ben Johnson Day. Yeah, but I don't have no money for Ghana fast food and them something. So you know me inside of my kitchen, I may fry some dumpling, yeah, for my family. I don't know if I call dinner time gonna look like a supper family. So I have some dumpling and I fry up here. And I give you a little sneak peek. This is a little sneak peek video inside of my Ben Johnson Day dinner. Get in, make them see. So I have my dumpling inside and I wok here. Yeah? I fry off some dumpling. See how them look, family? So I'm gonna do a fried dumpling video for you all from scratch. Just like how I did the boiled ones, I'm gonna do for you all a fried dumpling video from scratch. You see how my dumpling them soft and nice, family? So what you do when you put your dumpling in, use a big container. I know if we in a family are 6 away. I don't know if you can share. It look like you can share, family. We make it share, man. So you put it in this, and as you start frying off, you cover it down. So meanwhile it's frying, it's sort of steaming, and then just comes soft and nice. Yeah, so we have a little dumpling them here, so we have fry them off. And as I tell you, I'm not highlighting to show you how to do it. Because you know when I'm showing you how to do it, I do it from scratch. Okay, so I owe you a fried dumpling. I owe you all a fried dumpling video. So this is how my fried dumpling pot looking at the Ben Johnson evening, yeah? Ben Johnson Day evening. Yeah? As you go along, you turn them, cover them back, make them stay moist and nice. But I have over here, I have some saltfish when I boil off. And I go clean off the skin. Yeah? You know, you clean off the skin, debone it and all of them something. Yeah? And I have some frankfurter, chicken frankfurter. I'm going to cook up some with my saltfish, give them a shot. So I hold it with tomato, onion, sweet pepper. I'm going to cook up a nice little saltfish, cook up and some fried dumpling. And all of them look at something there. And show you how my Ben Johnson Day dinner look. And I hope you all, I hope you're trying some of those dishes that are up on the channel. I hope you're trying them because you know I do them in a way that you can do it. When I do the videos then that you can just stay and watch. I want you all to do them. I want you all to learn to cook Jamaican. That's why it is a Jamaican cooking journey. I want you all to do it. Learn to do it. So therefore, family, when you see the word for stupidness, them are one, you can't say, okay, that is just gross stupidness. I'm not gonna watch, okay? Yeah, man, I want you all to learn. So look here. I'm going to go now a little fine. I'm going to scrape up my saltfish, pick it up, debone it. So when I come back, I'm going to show you, I'm going to chop up my onion and my tomato or something. Chop up from scratch and cook up my saltfish. Cook down, gel on my saltfish with my frankfurter. And you know, I'm going to eat some of my fried dumpling and saltfish, make you all see. So here we go on, family. Little bit. And let me tell you something. If you're liking this video, you know, send on the link to your friend and family. Yeah? Little bit.